Hi, King of Christmas family. My name is Mallory Hope, and today I will be going over what to do if a section of your power pole tree is not working properly. Sometimes during the packaging and testing process, the power pole strand within your tree may become unplugged, not allowing power to transmit to the remainder of your tree. An example is if the middle section is not functioning, however, the top and bottom section are. This indicates that your power pole is in working condition, however, the middle section lights are not connected to the power pole. First, you are going to locate the wire coming out of the pole and the wire wrapped around the light strand. Simply reconnect these wires and this should resolve the issue at hand. Another possible issue is that the power pole itself is not transmitting power. In this case, you may need a replacement section to resolve the matter. In order to best know which replacement section you are in need of, we ask that you remove both the non-functioning section as well as the section below it. Then you are going to place the top section directly on top of the bottom section. If the top section lights up, this shows that the top of the middle section is not transmitting power appropriately, and a replacement middle section will resolve the issue at hand. However, if the unit section does not light up, then this shows that the bottom of your unlit section is not accepting power properly. In this case, a replacement top section will resolve the issue at hand. If you are still having trouble after performing these troubleshooting steps, or if you are in need of a replacement section, kindly reach out to our customer service team, as we would be happy to provide further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays.